National Weather Service. For the following county, District of Columbia, and the following counties, in Maryland, Anne Arundel, and southern Baltimore. Coastal flood warning in effect until 1 p.m. Wednesday. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia, has issued a coastal flood warning, which is in effect until 1 p.m. Wednesday. The coastal flood advisory is no longer in effect. Tidal anomaly, 1 to 2 feet above normal. Timing, within an hour of high tide.
The 8 p.m. observation in